Okay, let's take a start with speaking part one. Do you often like to sing?
Yes, I like to sing, but I have a not capabilities to sing because I have a no talent about the singing.
Okay, now you just need to organize your answer. What is that? Do you often like to sing? Yes, I love to sing, but in fact, I think I don't have any talent for singing. Whenever I try to sing, I can't keep up the beat of the music. So, to answer your question, I love to sing, but I don't have talent for this.
Ji.
Something like that. Let's go on. When do you like to sing?
Um,
When do you like to sing? See, I always like to sing when I'm happy.
Ji. I always sing to when I am happy and when I am alone. Um, uh,
Go on, 3-4 sentences, yeah.
Whenever I am happy and when I am alone in the house, and
Okay.
and when I am
All right, this
sad.
answer is short, incomplete. When do you like to sing? I always love to sing when I am home alone because there is no one to see me, no one to hear me. So I sing loudly when I'm home alone. On the other hand, in the evening, if I'm sitting somewhere and I'm feeling sad, even then I like to sing, something like that. What kind of music do you like to sing, or what kind of songs do you like to sing?
I like to listening the song of film songs, but I mostly like the Punjabi songs.
You know what you are doing? You're using very limited vocabulary, and the sentence which I ask you in the question, you use the same sentence time and again. The question is, what kind of music or songs do you like to sing? Well, first of all, I love to sing classical songs. They are my most favorite. On the other hand, I also sing some songs which are from movies, and at times I sing English songs as well. Something like that. Okay, and use variety of words and good sentence structures. Otherwise, basic language will give you 4 band, 4.5 band, and all that, right? Okay, it's your turn, please. Good. I'm going to ask you some questions about clothes and fashion. Are you very interested in fashion and clothes?
Yes, I'm very interested in fashion and clothes. Well, I like most designers that I like it very much, and it's very famous.
Okay, that's good. Now listen, just stick to the point and answer should be given like a conversation, not 5 independent sentences. Are you very interested in fashion and clothes? Yes, I am very keen on fashion and clothes. And I always try to look for new designs and the latest trends in fashion. For this, I read some fashion magazines as well. So to answer your question, I really love to follow the latest fashion and see what are the new trends in clothing. Like that. Okay, let's go on. Do you have a good collection of nice clothes?
Yes, I have a very good collection of nice clothes. Mostly I wear designer clothes, and I used to wear it like Western clothes also.
Okay. Now just try to organize your answer. Again, I would say, do you have a lot of nice clothes? For example, yes, I have a great collection of wonderful clothes. First of all, I've got a very good collection of party wear because I usually go to attend the weddings. Secondly, I have got a very good collection of seasonal clothes which I wear according to the season. So to answer your question, my wardrobe, use the word wardrobe.
Yes, yes.
Understand? This will give you a good band score. All right, let's go on. What type of clothes do you usually like to wear?
Usually, I like to wear fashionable dresses, and mostly on different parties. It's very party to party. Like I wear Western clothes. On a wedding, I like to wear wedding dresses. The sometimes I also like to wear clothes like Western.
Okay, that's good. So just try to organize your answer, beginning, explanation, and then conclusion, right? Okay, thank you.